Hi everybody, today I want to show you useful and essential phrases and vocabulary that you'll need when making a phone call in English. I'm going to make 5 phone calls in different scenarios, so let's get going.
Good afternoon. How can I help?
Hiya, would it be possible to book a table this weekend?
Yeah, I don't see why not. Bear with me 1 second.
Thank you.
For which day?
For Saturday, please.
Saturday the 6th, yeah?
That's right.
Okay, for how many people?
Just for 2 people, please.
Oh, yeah, that's absolutely fine. What sort of time are you thinking?
In the evening, like 6 p.m. Do you have something then?
Yeah, 6 o'clock is fine. If you wanted a bit later, we could also do 1:15 or 1:30.
Okay, we'll stick with 6 for now.
Yeah, no worries. Could I please get a name?
Yeah, my name's Mitch. Is it possible to have a table by a window or do you even have sitting outside?
Yeah, we have seating outside.
Okay.
But we also do have a few tables by the windows. So I can pop a note on your booking to say maybe outside, maybe by the window. We can reserve one inside for you, and then if it's nice weather, you can always sit outside.
That'd be perfect. Thank you.
That sound good, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Can I also get a contact number, please?
Yeah, it's this phone. Do you have this phone number on your...
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm on a headset, sorry.
Okay, fine. It's... And do you have like a vegetarian or vegan part of the menu?
Yeah, so for vegan, we have a whole separate menu. And for vegetarian, we do have some options on the main menu.
Great.
It is also always an option to switch out toppings. So even if there was a pizza on the main menu that did contain meat, you could swap it out for like some artichoke or extra veg or something like that.
Amazing. And do you do gluten-free as well?
Yeah, we do gluten-free. We do gluten-free pizzas. We do some gluten-free pastas, gluten-free dough balls. You've got loads of options for dietary requirements.
Sounds good. Okay, brilliant. And then how would I change the booking? Can I do it on... Is it just have to call up, do I?
Yeah, you could just call us and change the time. Or...
Okay. Sounds good.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's it, I think, for now.
Okay, lovely. See you Saturday.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, now let's make our second call.
Thank you for calling award-winning dental practices, providing NHS and private care. If you are already a patient, please press 1. If you are a new patient, thank you for your patience. We will be with you as soon as possible.
Maybe I'll call them back. But in the meantime, while I'm waiting, I would like to welcome you to join our Easy English membership. We also host regular weekly conversation calls online. I believe the best way for you to improve your confidence or skills in speaking and listening is just by doing it. And that involves making mistakes on a regular basis, which is what our conversation calls are all about. It's a relaxed, inclusive atmosphere where you'll be surrounded by many people from all around the world who are looking to make friends and all improve their English as a group together. We talk about preset topics that we organise on a Tuesday night for 1 hour, where we can all just sit around and just chit chat and get to know each other a bit better. If this interests you, then we're actually offering the Conversation membership on a 7-day free trial. If you're interested, then go to easyenglish.video/membership and become an Easy English member today. We'll be happy to welcome you into our group. Now back to my phone call.
Hello.
Hiya, I would like to inquire about booking a checkup with you guys. Is that possible?
Yeah, right. Are you already registered with us?
Yes, I am. My name's Mitch Hargreaves.
Yeah, let me check that. Do you have your date of birth for me, please?
Yeah, it's...
Yeah, I got you. What's your problem? How can we help you?
So I've been having a little bit of toothache recently, like my teeth at the back of my mouth. I'd just like to have it looked at if that's possible, and just a general checkup as well, I think.
And would you also like a teeth cleaning?
Yeah, how much would that cost?
That's £65 at the moment.
Okay, and how much for just the checkup on top of that as well?
The checkup will be £37.
Okay, great. That sounds good. Yeah, could I book that in, please?
Yeah, if you go with the teeth cleaning, the earliest appointment will be next Tuesday. Is that okay for you?
Yeah, what time would that be at?
We have appointments in the morning or afternoon. What would be better for you?
Can I have maybe like the earliest appointment you have?
Yes, that will be 8:45.
Okay, that sounds good. But and what happens if, let's say, my toothache gets worse and I have like an emergency? Can I come in earlier?
Yeah, definitely give us a call again, but I could also put your name on the cancellation list now if you want to. Then we just inform you when somebody cancels their appointment.
Okay, that sounds really good. That's everything I needed to know.
Great. Okay, so we see you next Tuesday, 8:45, for a general checkup, teeth cleaning, and we will check your teeth that is hurting you.
Great, thank you so much for your help.
Of course.
Okay.
See you then.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, now let's make our third phone call.
Welcome to... You need to talk to someone. Press 1 and our new visual service will get you there quicker than ever before. Otherwise, it's 2.
Hello, internet company. How can I help? Hi, yeah, I was wondering if you could help me with my internet, please. Sure. What seems to be the issue? Yeah, so my internet doesn't seem to be working properly or as it should. I feel like the connection keeps kind of dropping out. Okay, we can take a look at that for you. Can I have your username, please? Yeah. My username is... And can we take your address? Yeah, that is... Great. 1 second, please. Yep, okay, no rush. And you said your connection drops out intermittently? Yeah, it seems to be running quite slow at points, or maybe even dropping out of its connection. Did you try turning it off and on again? Yeah, I sort of turned off the router, left it for some time, and then turned it back on again. That's perfect. Let me just check your connection. Do you know if there's maybe like an outage in my area, possibly? No, but what we'll do is get an engineer to come out and take a look at the issue. Yeah, okay, that sounds good. Can you come as soon as possible, really? Is that okay? Absolutely. Is tomorrow good for you? Tomorrow? Yeah, okay. And do you know how long it kind of will take to fix or so? Typically about 30 minutes, but we can't guarantee that. Yeah, okay. Fair enough. Yeah, so I'll see you tomorrow then? Yes, see you tomorrow. Great, thank you so much for your help. Have a good day. You too, take care. Bye. Bye. Let's make our fourth call.
Welcome to... In order to route your call accurately, please select from the following options. If you would like to book a groom or have any grooming inquiries, please press 1. If you would like to know the store opening hours, please press 2. And finally, if you would like to speak to a member of our store team, please press 3. Good afternoon. How can I help?
Hi, I was wondering if you had a particular item in stock at your store.
What is it?
It's called AVA. It's like a dog food.
Which one? There's quite a few of them.
Ah, I see. Do you know? I'm looking for like one of those like bigger bags for my dog. What ones do you have on offer there? Do you know?
Yeah, so we've got just your standard breed sizes. You've got weight management. You've got skin and stomach. You've got breed specific. We've got all different ones.
Would you be able to put one aside for me if I was to swing by to come pick it up?
There's hundreds on the shelf. You'll be fine.
What time are you guys open until today?
8 o'clock.
Okay. Thanks for your time.
No problem. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Now let's make our final call.
Hello, and thank you for calling. If you would like to make a new booking or amend the booking made with... Please hold while we connect you.
How can I help you?
Hiya, I'm calling about an inquiry I'd like to make about your ferry crossings, if that's okay.
Yeah. When was the inquiry to?
So I'm just wondering how it works, because I have a dog, how it works with crossing over with a dog.
So you choose, do you want the dog to stay in your car, or you can have him on a pet den area is an area, but so you can have it, and then that you're ready to go then.
That's great. And how much does it cost extra to take a dog to this pet den?
I think it depends on the day. I think it's around 18. Let me just try to see. Do you know roughly what date are you planning to travel?
Yeah, so it would be 2 passengers in a car, obviously, and would be going in kind of mid-July, ideally.
All right. So is that a return?
Is it cheaper to book a return directly, or is it cheaper to?
I'll say. I mean, you can book It's cheaper in which way, because you've already got it. The more you leave the time, the more the price increases. So getting them both together, you can get like a flexi ticket.
That's really good to know. Okay, thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
Thank you. You too. Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching this week's episode. I hope you all enjoyed and learnt some new phrases and vocabulary for when making phone calls, and that you feel a little bit more confident when speaking in English on the phone. And don't forget to check out our Easy English membership to help you improve your English with us. And as always, we'll see you next time. Ta-ra!
Your estimated wait time is about 12 minutes.
Thank you for continuing to hold.
If you know someone still looking for a dentist, please spread the word. With practices open 7 days a week, accessing care has never been easier.